In this video, we're going to make sense of arithmetic and geometric sequences and series, step by step. Let's start with a sequence. A sequence is just a list of numbers in a specific order, like 3, 7, 11, 15, and so on. If we look at the differences, each time we add 4. When the difference between terms is always the same, we call it an arithmetic sequence. In an arithmetic sequence, the nth term is given by the formula an equals a1 plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket times d. Here, a1 is the first term, n is the term number, and d is the common difference. Using our example, a1 is 3 and d is 4. Let's find the 10th term. a10 equals 3 plus open bracket 10 minus 1 close bracket times 4. That's 3 plus 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36, so a10 equals 3 plus 36, which is 39. Now, a series is what you get when you add the terms of a sequence. For an arithmetic series, the sum of the first n terms is Sn equals n over 2 times open bracket a1 plus an close bracket. In our example, the sum of the first 10 terms is S10 equals 10 over 2 times open bracket 3 plus 39 close bracket. 10 over 2 is 5, and 3 plus 39 is 42. So S10 equals 5 times 42, which is 210. Now let's look at geometric sequences. Here, instead of adding the same number each time, we multiply by the same number. For example, 2, 6, 18, 54, and so on. Each term is multiplied by 3. That number, 3, is called the common ratio, r. The nth term of a geometric sequence is an equals a1 times r to the power of open bracket n minus 1 close bracket. In our example, a1 is 2 and r is 3. Let's find the 5th term. a5 equals 2 times 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 4 is 81, so a5 equals 2 times 81, which is 162. The sum of the first n terms of a geometric series is Sn equals a1 times open bracket 1 minus r to the n close bracket over open bracket 1 minus r close bracket, as long as r is not 1. If you'd love to turn clear explanations like this into your own animated videos, go to vidfactory.ai and create explainer videos effortlessly.